Before we jump right into it, I ask that you consider subscribing. It seems that 99.7% of my viewers aren't subscribed. Have you ever seen worse? If you like the content and want to see more car videos, subscribe and hit the little bell icon. I don't do boring vlog style videos that last over 10 minutes just for ad revenue. I get right into it and take pride in actually editing my videos. So consider subscribing. It's free. Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and this is how I sprayed my brake calipers on my Mustang GT using Plasti Dip. Now you guys are probably thinking, what the hell? You can actually Plasti Dip brake calipers? And it turns out apparently yes, you can. So I was absolutely shocked when I found this out because I thought because it was Plasti Dip that it would melt with excessive braking and the heat. It would probably melt, but it turns out I guess it doesn't. So I went ahead and bought some Plasti Dip. So first you do a black base, so just with your generic Plasti Dip cans, 3 coats of the black base, and then I went ahead and bought these blue deep sea metallic cans from dipyourcar.com. I got them on sale for $5 each can, so I went ahead and bought 6 of them because they were such of a steal. So I bought a bunch, and this is pretty much how they come out. So once you have your three base coats done, you can go ahead and spray this metallic one on top of the base coats. That's what it says on the instructions. You have to have a base coat, and then you can spray it. So this is what I did. Waited about 10 to 15 minutes in between coats for everything, and this is pretty much how they came out. And now what I found is that really there's like no orange peel on these things. And if you're spraying it, make sure you do wet coats, and there's so much shine, so much metallic flakes in these things. It looks incredible. Nice glossy finish. Usually Plasti Dip is like a matte finish. With this dipyourcar.com spray, it is like glossy metallic, so it looks great. And as I was saying, there's like no orange peel using the Plasti Dip on the brake calipers, which is kind of surprising considering when I spray painted my calipers on my other cars, I actually used paint and for some reason left like a huge orange peel on the brakes. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. I'll show you guys a picture of how they look. You can see like the orange peel, but using this Plasti Dip, there's pretty much no orange peel at all. It actually looks incredible, and it looks better than when I spray painted my calipers. And the thing is with Plasti Dip is that it's super easy to use. If you mess up, you can just peel it off, start all over again. And I find that for some reason it sticks a lot better than paint does, because with paint you have to prep it real good and everything. With Plasti Dip, I find that it sticks to pretty much anything, dirty surfaces or not, it sticks, and really it comes out great. No drips or anything as long as you're waiting the required time in between coats. And this is pretty much how it looks. This is the final result. They look incredible. A nice shiny metallic-y. You guys can see not really a lot of orange peel at all. There's a few imperfections here and there of where I got too excessive and like a few drips here and there, but pretty much you're not gonna notice these imperfections from afar, from like a foot away. You have to be like really up close for you to actually see them. And when I posted this on my Instagram story, I had a lot of messages of people telling me how nice they were and how they looked. And they do look incredible. And for 15 bucks pretty much for like 2 cans, 1 can for the base color and then 1 can of the other metallic color. I did all 4 of them, and this is how it comes out. They look great. So I'll go ahead and update you guys on how long this lasts, how long the nice shiny look, or if it actually melts under excessive use. So I'll keep you guys updated in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's about it for this video. See you guys later. Peace.